Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. My name is Travis Martin. Let's go over 88 today. Give you guys a quick update. We are currently 56 for 56 wins on this channel here. I'll show you guys where that was actually called over here. 56 for 56, that was on Matic. We ended up doing 10.17% there. And then before the last ADA video, we ended up exiting 55 for 55, which was on DOT actually, and that was a total of 15.09%. Guys, a ton of buy limits have just gone off for all of our traders for our coins that we're trading over here. Like we just had Solana, Solana's in here. If you guys are using the buy limits, that literally just went off yesterday. VET just got picked up. XRP just got picked up. Matic, you guys are in Matic right now. Link got picked up. DOT just got picked up. Guys, this opportunity right now is a very rare opportunity on this channel where if you guys are like, I want to trade with you, Travis, I want to trade with your guys' team, we're 56 for 56, we have not lost a trade yet, like right now is the best time to come over and get into the trade setups with us. I will show you guys how to do that in the second half of this video. I want to get over the analysis of ADA right now, so stick around. I'll show you how to get into these trades. All right, something you guys need to be focusing on here, I'm going to go over where we're currently at. I'm actually in this trade with you guys, and I'm trading my live money over here. I'll give you a quick update of where we're at. We're at 11,333. We are dropping down here because the whole market is red here. So we're not down that much. Only 30, 3, 7, 8, $41, so right around that area. Okay. Here's why we're not down that much. First of all, we entered in here with really good risk management with 25% of our position on October 3rd for $2.18. We then exited 25% of this in the profit over here at $2.30, and that was a profit of about 5%, 5.69%. Right now, we're basically sitting very close to the entry here, and I have no worries whatsoever. Here's what I want you guys to focus on today. Watch the price versus the well money flow and the trend exhaustion. What's happening down here is we are getting down to these bottom red sections here where I am expecting to see a bounce back up for ADA. We see this down here with the well money flow at the bottom starting to push back up, and I do think this could start pushing us back up into the profit for ADA, and we could be looking to take another 25 to 50% exit before the week is over, and that will add more money to our accounts and we will compound from there. But on top of this, guys, those of you who have your membership over at tradeconfident.io, I'll show this to you guys real quick, and you guys sign up, it's just $49 a month. You get access to all the metrics and live trades. If you come over and click the live trade section here and actually click into Cardano right now, you guys can get your buy limit set up to actually join us on this trade. If and when this moves down just a little bit further, you guys are all going to get triggered in. Now, I don't often say this, but if you guys want, you can join me on this trade right now, and here's how you're going to do that. So follow this. I was going to do it in the second half. This is more important because this is how we're literally making money. So follow me, guys. This is what you need to do. Click on Cardano. It's blocked for our members, so just make sure you guys it's a subscription for that, okay? Follow me on Bitcoin. This is what you guys want to do. This is a new metric here that basically is a tag on here that says when the metrics were updated. They update every single day at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Here's what we're going to do for Cardano right now. There is 4 yellow lines, literally check the chart right now, guys. There's 4 yellow lines below the current price of ADA at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. That's going to be this line over here. That's the price at 8 a.m., okay? What you guys are going to do normally is if you have $1,000, you put $250 at each of these. You take your trade allotment, split it into 25% increments, and you place that at the 4 buy limits. Here's what you're going to do this morning if you want to get into this trade with me. You're going to forego the first buy limit. It's not financial advice, by the way, guys. I got to put that out there. Forego this one and just go ahead and put a market order in for 25% of your trade allocation. $1,000, that would be $250. Go ahead, like literally you guys can market order in right now when you guys see this video about 213, and you're so close to the entry, you're actually below the entry, you guys will actually be making more money than when I exit because I'm gonna wait for us to get into the profit. This is a rare opportunity, guys. You need to be setting this up. Okay, now, once that first market order has gone through, since you're going to bypass the first buy limit on Cardano, okay, this is Bitcoin, I'm showing you guys the transparency of this. You're going to forego this one. Your first buy limit needs to be set at the second one here. Your second buy limit needs to be at the third. Your third buy limit needs to be at the fourth. You're just simply not waiting for the first buy limit to get hit. You're putting in a market order for 25% and then set up the other 3 buy limits for 25% of your position. Do that today, and you guys will be able to join me on this trade here. And if we actually go up a little bit when this video is done rendering, you'll probably get a closer entry and you can all join in. So I have people who have literally gotten in at the bottom here because you guys were tagged in yesterday. So a lot of people are following this exact trade right now. We are all like literally in the same spot here. Even the people in entered in back here, and those who you guys who literally just got in yesterday and today. Please set this up, guys. We're going for 60 for 60 wins this month, and I think we're going to do really, really well. So I want you guys to watch that. Okay, now let's go over the analysis of this. Because the trend exhaustion is at the bottom, here's what you need to be watching. Because price versus well money flow, the green line is the flow of money. I want you guys to watch this. It has been dropping out here like drastically. Bitcoin long trades dropped like a rock. It's kind of scary how fast they drop. We could be seeing a little bit of move down. Here's what I want you guys to watch for. Let's get this out of the way here. This is so important you guys have these on your charts. If price structure comes down here and starts moving down further, okay, follow me guys. If this moves down further and what you see is the well money flow starting to move up and the trend exhaustion starting to move up, this creates a form of divergence. This creates a low and another lower low on the charts while money is flowing into the market, okay? This is exactly what happened over here where we got a low and another low, but if you look straight down, you see the low and you see a higher low. And then also on the trend exhaustion, we got a low and a higher low, and this is what called the move back up before it happened. Money was flowing into the market while price was moving down, and that was one of the fastest moves up, and you guys need to be watching this, guys. Over the weekend, I take time off to be with my family, go to church. I rest, I play, I have fun, okay? If you guys get into this long trade today, or those of you guys who are already in the long trade, if this pushes up to the next red section and I'm not able to call an exit on Telegram, you need to be looking to exit at minimum 25 to 50% of the trade, all of it together, okay? This is very important you guys are watching this because not only does this hold true on the moves up, but this also held true on the moves down over here. So if you guys look at the top section over here with the well money flow getting in the top, this started moving down. We see this at the top section over here. This is how we end up calling the drop back down. Top red zone, top red zone. We saw a move down here. We come back over here in the price. We get very close to the top red zone here. If we follow this straight up here, this is right into these candles. This is where we ended up seeing the drop. The previous time before that, literally top red zone, this is where we ended up seeing another drop in the market. It is very strong in here that if you guys get into a top section of the trend exhaustion, this is where we are looking for moves back down in the market. You want to be taking some profit because these moves back down are usually where our next buy limits are hit. So here's how this works. We get into trades, we exit, we make our money, and then we invest again. That is what's called compound interest. It's why a lot of people are messaging me now and they're like, Travis, I'm no longer holding for crypto. I'm trading with you because I understand compound interest is like the eighth wonder of the world. And people are making so much more money now. Because here's the thing, guys, a lot of people FOMOed in at these upper prices, and everyone who did, they're still holding the bag and they're all the way down here. They're not in profit. And what happened is a lot of people put all their money in here thinking we're going to the moon, and they don't have any extra money to actually put into dollar cost average. This strategy we're trading, guys, is taking off because we have such good risk management. Our indicators are calling pumps and drops like it's some of the best in the market. Like I guarantee you guys, these are some of the best you will ever see. So watch this. This is going to call, I believe, a move up in the market here, possibly back up to our entry and a little bit further because we're at the bottom sections. That's how accurate those are. Watch this up here. The trend dashboard is telling me what retail traders are doing. Okay, a lot of retail traders right now are shorting the market or they're selling because all their moving averages are telling them what momentum is doing. It's moving down. We do not trade with retail traders. We trade with Wells, institutions, and smart money. I'll prove that to you guys in the metrics here. As the price goes down, a lot of retail traders are clearly selling in the market. This is where we are buying. We are not FOMOing in up here or up here or up here. We waited for the price to come all the way back down and we got in at the lower levels on discount. That's how we're trading. That's how we are winning these trades, guys. Okay, this is so fun. All right, let's go over here. By the way, guys, real quick, I added an FAQ down here that you guys need to definitely check out. I literally added all of the best questions you guys are asking me. We're growing so fast that our email support is just getting a little bit slower. And so I promise we'll get back to you guys within 24 hours of any message you guys give us. I promise that. We take the weekends off, so be aware of that. But down here under the FAQ, if you guys just want a quick answer and you're like, Travis, I need an answer. I don't want to wait for you. I get it. I'll get back to you as fast as I can, I promise. But literally, we took all the questions for that you guys asked us. Like 95% of your questions are answered right here. The trend exhaustion line isn't showing up after the indicator. What exchange do you use? When do I actually move the buy limits? How do I set up these indicators on my phone? Like, do you use stop losses? Crazy stuff in here. Do you accept crypto? Like all this ever stuff. Scalping with the indicators. Watch that, and I think you guys will you'll learn some stuff to make more money in there. I guarantee you will. Okay, 88, let's go over the metrics, guys. These are going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. For ADA, guys, we are actually in this section right here where we're in this neutral area. And it actually makes sense. We're just stuck in this basically like this channel trading here where we're going ping-ponging back and forth. So I know this is what I usually say, and let me be clear here. I normally say when we're neutral, you are not looking for market orders. The reason why I'm saying this today is because if we were up here and we were seeing neutral because we're in like some consolidation pattern with a move up here, that would not be smart, okay? The fact that we have dropped this far in the market, this is a great place to get into ADA. I promise you guys. The most important part is get in and set your buy limits up as I show you guys on the charts on Cardano. Again, that's on the front page. Scroll down, get into Cardano. I've not changed from this. The best coins, in my opinion, are Ethereum, Dogecoin, Cardano, and VET. Those are my top 4 picks for the end of the year for the most massive gains, okay? Bitcoin just took off on a run and it's been surprising everybody. It's kind of an anomaly. I think those other coins are great. Watch this. This is showing us something interesting that Bitcoin is not doing. You need to watch this and don't miss this part. Long trades are increasing on ADA. This shows me that the people behind ADA, and yes, ADA does not have to move positively correlated to Bitcoin. Go back to March 15th and watch ADA hit all-time highs while Bitcoin crashes, okay? That is, you guys are being told out there that all the coins move with Bitcoin. That is not true whatsoever, okay? It's just not. If you guys watch on March 15th and you go back there, you will see how ADA ended up moving up very fast, and we saw Bitcoin actually moving back down. Let me get this out here. I want to change this over to a line structure here real quick. So I want you guys to be watching that because over here, we are clearly, sorry guys, I'm trying to get my cursor to work this morning. We're seeing long trades increase and we're also seeing structure increase. Okay, great. Follow me to Bitcoin real quick. What happened on Bitcoin was ridiculous yesterday. I have never seen long trades drop out this fast. They literally just dropped out, and crazy things can happen right now, guys. So please prepare yourself for a drop in the market by getting your buy limit set up. The last time this happened was when structure started pushing up here, and we did this move back down right here. What happened right after this happened? A massive bear drop in the market. The fastest bear drop you guys have seen in a very, very long time on Bitcoin in the whole market was when this happened. And we are at that exact point again down here with long trades moving out and structure moving up. If people are not calling a drop on Bitcoin, then I don't believe, like, it's not wise. Let's just say that. I'm not here to bash anybody. Like, we're all just trying our best on YouTube. I just want to give everyone credit for that. Like, I'm trying my absolute best to do everything I can to help you guys make money, myself make money. But my thing is, like, if people are calling this thing's just going to keep pumping to 100,000 without seeing a nice pullback, they need to look at on-chain metrics over here. It's not holding true. This is held true 5 times if you watch the Bitcoin video. This thing is due for a drop. Short trades are also increasing. All right, ADA. Why am I bullish on ADA? Well, Bitcoin long trades are dropping out of the market. What's happening here is we are seeing on-chain metrics here show us that there is accumulation of ADA at lower prices. And I've mentioned this to you guys. Yes, ADA can go down further, absolutely. But there's a rallied team behind this that I do believe we could start seeing ADA start pumping back up here, possibly while Bitcoin goes down. It has happened before and it can happen again, okay? Follow me down here, guys. Long versus short trade risk. We're sitting in this like sideways pattern here with the white line here. We're sitting neutral, great. Move down here. What we're seeing in here is a huge spike in long trade sentiment for whales, institutions, and smart money. Again, get your long trade set up here, guys. I'm giving you an incredible setup on ADA. Do not miss it. Get your membership. It's $49 a month. I will be upping the price of this eventually. This is too cheap for what you guys are making. Look at the profits. I'll prove it to you right there. 8,000 euro and basically one on this trader here. Crazy. 75% up. $14,000. This guy made in 5 hours. $5,000 with our close. $400 here. It just goes on and on and on, and it just gets ridiculous the more you go down here. $6,000 on Solana. $10,000 on ADA. We're talking about ADA right now, okay? Anyways, I show this to you guys to show you that I purposely keep this membership low because I want to help more people. I'm going to charge more, so I don't want to pull that card, but like, I'm going to charge more. Get in here. I'll grandfather all you guys in. If you get in at $49 a month and you keep your membership, when I raise the prices, I will not raise your membership. You have my word. It's actually how the platform works, and I can't raise your membership. So you guys get the power. All right. Long trades are increasing on well and institutional smart money. Why are we taking longs? Because this is showing us longs here. Shorts have already been taken in the market here for a move back down. The whales already made their money. They dropped the market out and they've made a ton of money in here. They're happy. What they're doing now is they're switching over to long trades, okay? If you guys are watching the support resistance prices too, where are we going to drop down to if we really see a nice drop? It's going to be $2. That's where the support is. It's $2 on the charts, guys, and $2 puts us right around the structure low right here. I think demand of $2 is going to take over. I think the well and institutional smart money, the long trades, as well as the well money flow and the trend exhaustion being down here, there are a lot of bullish signs for Cardano right now, while there are a lot of bearish signs for Bitcoin. And I have to say this again because I'm going to get questions about it. Just because Bitcoin goes up does not mean other altcoins go up. Guys, Bitcoin went through the roof and Solana dropped. Like, I want to like get that stigma out of people's minds. Like, yes, there are a lot of coins that are called, the technical term is they're called positively correlated. And usually when Bitcoin goes up, a lot of other altcoins go up. But you need to understand that's not always the case. You need to actually be looking at what's happening on the blockchain for those certain coins, and that's why we have these metrics in here, so we can tell the power of the community behind it, okay? I hope you guys are understanding this. These metrics and indicators are super powerful, and this is why we have not lost a trade yet. Okay, 88. Where could we go if we start seeing a move up here? I've been looking at this spot for a while. It's right around the psychological quarters theory number of $2.50. That's this area right up here, guys. That is where I'm actually looking to take another 50% profit and probably 100% exit. 12.75% is plenty of money, okay? I have a trader that I've worked with. And he basically, every time he makes 10%, he makes $30,000. And he literally is making that like on an every week basis with our metrics and indicators. It's insane what he is doing. I'm super proud of him. Okay, dollar cost average entries. What is this and how do you use it? Basically, what this is showing us is that this is a great place to look for entries down here and hold for the long term. We haven't seen them go off greatly lately, but if we do see another drop in the market down here, I'm almost positive we're going to see another line in here, and this is where you guys just hold for 5 to 10 years, okay? This is not spot trading. You're not going to take advantage of compound interest. That's totally fine. I just know there's a lot of people out there that like to hold, and that's why I have this chart in here. Okay, let's do this and we'll wrap up the video. We saw in here exit points where this was coming out saying, hey guys, watch for a possible drop in 88, and that came out right around this area. We did see a little bit of move back up, but overall we did see drops back down in the market. That was a good call. So let me wrap this video up, guys. If you want to come over and make money with us, follow these steps. Come over here, sign up, $49 a month, look at profits just because that's ridiculously fun. Sign up here, go over to live trades, and then click into Cardano right now this morning. You actually have to click this. This will open up the live trades. Set your buy limits where I showed you guys, and the first one is okay if you market order. Again, $1,000 right now. Just take it and split it into 4 increments, $250 each. $250 can go as a market order right now, and then set your other 3 buy limits at the other 3 lines. So that would be this line down here. So this would be your first buy limit, second buy limit, third buy limit, since you're foregoing the first one. This is so simple, guys. Once you do that, get the indicators on your chart so you can follow this as I call some moves up and down. Get at minimum the price versus the well money flow and the trend exhaustion. I'm upping the prices of these at the end of the month. You guys have like literally, I think you have 19 days left. The bundle pack is the best deal to get because this is not going up in price. So you get all of our indicators for a super discount. This won't go up, so you will actually get appreciating value, and you get 4 other indicators on top of this, okay? That's the best deal. Get them on your charts. And then the last thing is come over here, click Telegram, and get over into the Telegram group where I'm going to be giving you guys trade analysis and updates of what I'm doing for the trades. That's the trifecta, the indicators. Get into the subscription, join the Telegram group. That's all you guys are doing. We're going to go for 60 trades this by the end of this month. I really do believe we're going to get into some profit here, and we're probably going to call some exits probably by the end of Friday, and we're going to probably push up, in my opinion. We're currently at 56. I think we could possibly hit 60 trades by the end of this week. Great time to join, guys, because a lot of our buy limits went off. So I'm going to leave you guys there. Don't miss this long buy opportunity. I promise you this is a good one. All right. God bless you guys. Get the indicators, get your membership, get over to the Telegram group, set everything up, and I'll keep you guys updated on the videos here and over Telegram. God bless you guys again so much. Get into this trade. Let's make some money. Bye, guys.